Another unboxing. I got this yesterday, and yesterday was a Wednesday. Today is Thursday, but this is Halloween shopping Saturdays. I wanted to open it yesterday, but I can't open it unless I'm on camera doing it. But anyway, if you're new here, hit the subscribe button. If you got anything to talk about, you want to talk about any other mask, anything else, comment below or say hi. What's up, Rex? I'm Rex. I almost cut myself. But yeah, I bought this back in like February. I know it took a minute to get here. I got it like $50 off the price because it was the in stock whatever merchandise before Transworld got shut down. Anyway, they always set me up with another sticker and another. I get these stickers, put them up, you know, just like my Trick or Treat Studios scare fresheners I get for free. Put them up too. But bubble wrap. I did not get a head form to put it on. Anyway, here is the directions on how to care for your mask. How to put it on, I guess. Stuff like that, whatever. Should have got a head form for it, but I don't know. I buy these little other head forms. Gray silicone half mask. It's the Decay version. I thought it might be like a zombie or whatever. And it's the it's called a Decayed half mask. And this is the gray version. I can get the flashlight version or the other ones. Let's see what this looks like on me. Looks like a little bit of weight here. Then the back. Thick right here in the forehead. Now let's check it out though. Put it on. Alright. This ain't too bad. Let's see if I get some light shine on my eyes. That comes down right to there. Yeah, pretty good. Breathe really excellent too. Very nice mask. Look cool. You got like a little bit of a different color right here. Look more like a decayed bone or a decaying bone. Almost has like a purplish tint to it. Looks like. Called gray. It's gray, but there's a little knot in the head right there. Right there. Right there. Sometimes you say stuff kind of weird. That little pointy ass nose. Look at that. Pretty cool. I think the whole thing fits snug, and it really does put it on the lips really good. Let's put it on the Lazy Susan. Take some video of it.